10, a family fighting relief after Missouri Appeals Court upheld the conviction of former KCP detective Eric DeValkenair. Cameron Lamb shot and killed by DeValkenair in 2019.
And they violate your civil rights, then it has to be some type of accountability.
It's a case KSHB 41 has been following closely for years now. DeValkenair convicted in 2021, receiving a 6-year prison sentence in March of 2022. The former detective has remained free on bond pending an appeal. After DeValkenair's appeal was denied, he was booked into the jail at Platte County and the detention center there. For the Lamb family, it's a step toward accountability. Tonight, KSHB 41 News reporter Alyssa Jackson sits down with his parents as they process the news.
Thank you, thank you, thank you.
Cameron Lamb's mother and prosecuting attorney Jean Peters Baker were waiting to share this moment together. This is after hearing an appellate judge stood by the conviction of former KCP detective Eric DeValkenair in the 2019 killing of Cameron.
I could not believe it. However, I felt like we finally got the answer that we were going to get.
I never doubted it anyway. The system is working. It was decided by a judge, not a jury, a judge that knew the law. If you read their report, and you could see all the lies they told.
Prosecuting attorney Jean Peters Baker worked this case and all of its twists and turns since the day it happened. While it's not a cause for celebration, she says it shows the system of justice works.
You certainly can't argue that due process was not given here. For any family like this family standing here, they've suffered every path, every step on this path with us. I've had to give them a lot of bad news along the way.
In their moment of gratitude, Lamb's family does think of DeValkenair's family he leaves behind.
We don't want to see nobody that's so instrumental in the protection and the livelihood of their family being taken away, especially a father. But we also don't want to see nobody that's so blatantly break the law and think that they're not going to be held accountable.
The way Lamb's mother sees it, this ruling is accountability, not justice.
He will still get to have visits with his family. That has been taken away from us. That has been taken away from our family.
To the community that's been standing behind them for years, they say keep doing it. It's not over.
And you got folks that's got some hope. They got some hope behind this thing.
In Kansas City, Alyssa Jackson, KSHB 41 News.